Guys, I'm just going through the Fountains area by the Colston Tower. This is in Bristol. Look at this meter. It's ridiculous through here. So poisonous. So by the Fountains, the Hippodrome, Colston Tower. It's in the, look at it. That is so. It's so poisonous to here. I try to avoid this area because it's so bad. People are being microwave through here day in, day out. Listen to it pulsing, like pulse radiation. It's horrible. There's so many towers around this whole area. Listen to that. Oh. This is Bristol, guys. You're being radiated. Look. Wow. So green is safe on this meter, and these levels here are going nowhere near it in the city town, in the city centre. You're being biologically damaged, according to Dr. Martin Powell, and thousands of peer-reviewed studies, and yeah, I can hardly think. I've just been to the council meeting, and yeah, they're saying that this is safe because of ICNA. Look, this is not safe. Wow. It's not safe, look at that. Pulsed radiation at the levels of, I don't know, up to 6 millivolts per second. Yeah, it's crazy. This area is particularly bad, and I would advise not going down it and avoiding it. Coming around to the bear pit around here. I know through the bear pit there's more radiation emitting towers. Look at this go. The whole way through here it's amazingly powerful. Look at that, it's just poisonous. All the way through here. Look at this. So this is Bristol, guys. This is your radiation in Bristol. Your non-ionizing radiation levels are this high, and it may not be heating your skin, may not be causing thermal effects, but biologically that is absolutely damaging you. This is why I left Bristol. This is why I left Bristol, because this is where I used to drive every day. It gave me cancer and it made me sick, so I had to leave just for my body to recover from that, if it ever does. So yeah, look at that, it's just non-stop, and this is worse than I've seen it for a long time. It's just got worse and worse and worse. Look at that. Wow, I didn't know it was that bad here before. It's horrendous, guys. This is the reason why I left Bristol. Okay, I'm gonna go now.